Hi everyone, it's Caitlin again. So by now you should have your model set up in SageModeler. I have a really simple one here with just a few different interactions. One of the really neat things about SageModeler is that we can use it to simulate environmental change and see how that affects the survival of our plants. So to get started, click on the arrow next to Simulate on the upper right-hand side of the screen. And this will turn on slider bars for each of our different model components that affect the others. You can use this to see how changes in the environment impact different parts of our model. So to start with, I want to test what happens with and without birds in the system. So I can take the slider bar next to birds, which is all the way up, and drag it down. When it's all the way down, what happens to the bar for the survival of large leaf plants? Did the survival of these plants increase or decrease? Were they the same for the two different types of plants? How about when you bring it all the way up? Did our survival increase? Is it the same for the two different types of plants? You can also move these things around with any different factors in the system, like the amount of water in the soil or the amount of sunlight, to see if that affects the results. Go ahead and play with your model to see how changes in the ecosystem affect how well our different plants can grow and survive.